What is up, guys? Welcome back to another video here on Loud and Proud. We have a good one for you today, boys. We're going to be doing a Q&A with the ladies again. Well, I'm going to go through some of the questions here that you guys have left for me under my Instagram post. If you don't follow me, definitely follow me. That's where it's at. Going to see what kind of questions you guys have for these girls and then have them give their best answer. You guys good?
Yep. Yes.
Okay, everybody, so we have our ladies here for the Q&A. We're going to go through and ask them some questions. I tried to avoid asking anything that was like too in-depth or had to do with mechanical function, stuff that was just a little more humorous, so don't be too critical. This is just for fun. How much coal would a diesel truck roll if a diesel truck could roll coal?
As much as it can. How many pounds?
Okay, which truck would have more power, a diesel truck or a gas-powered truck?
Like diesel.
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 Wait, was that right?
Of course.
Oh, okay. I was making sure.
How often do you change your muffler bearings?
Every year.
I have no idea. I didn't even, wait, a what?
How often do you change your muffler bearings?
What is that?
It's awesome muffler.
I don't know. I didn't know you had it.
So never.
I thought people just got new ones like
Keep going. It's interesting. What is soot? You guys can just have fun with it. Just
It's like
Soot, dirt.
Isn't it like the black stuff?
yeah,
Is it like,
Yeah.
oh, because you wrote it in the
Cool.
side of your silver truck.
Yeah.
okay. Yeah, I
go.
wrote soot.
Soot? What are you
That's what's demonstration purposes.
Oh.
What year is the nasty red 12 valve? Take a guess.
2004.
1992.
I don't know.
You should know this. I say it all the time. She's a little bit too old in terms of years back. She was a little
2000,
bit too new.
1996.
Okay, it's 21.
It's 21.
Okay. What would get better fuel mileage? A gas-powered truck or a diesel-powered truck?
Gas.
I wasn't paying attention.
Gas. Fuel.
I wasn't paying attention. Whoops.
Which truck would get better fuel mileage? A gas-powered truck or a diesel-powered truck?
Gas.
Gas is
Diesel.
Yeah, it is.
Diesel actually has
What?
like 2 times as much fuel mileage.
I did not know that.
What is the most reliable diesel? A Cummins, a Powerstroke, or a Duramax?
I'm gonna go with Cummins, but I don't know.
Cummins. Okay.
Just because you have a few of them.
Just
Talk about them all the time.
Why do men lift their trucks?
Why do only men lift them?
to fix
Yeah.
them.
What about girls?
To make it look
There's a
dope.
lot of controversy.
I have no idea.
No idea. There's nothing else you think when you see a guy with a big lifted truck, big wheels, and big tires. Don't think
It's
anything
better for like when you're off-roading, right?
else. Okay.
Is that not true?
No,
That's so
it's just
To get
that-
girls.
no, that-
girls? To get girls. I think that's true.
Okay, well,
There you
go with
go.
that one. That looks
What is
good.
it? Can you just tell us what the answer is?
I
Then?
know
Nope.
Because it could be offensive.
I know it is.
How much horsepower does a bigger exhaust tip give you?
None?
It gives it.
Does it even affect it?
I feel like it doesn't.
I said no. I said. I
It
don't
does.
know.
Yes. It does
sure.
affect
I'm
it.
not saying. This is for you guys.
It does.
Does? You say it does?
Yeah.
What do you say?
It does.
Okay.
Sure. Yeah, it does. Where is she getting her resources?
What are you doing?
She googled it.
How many spark plugs does a diesel truck have?
8.
6.
6. None.
Look at it.
I
None.
gotta help her back there.
I said no.
Okay.
She's
Two.
going with us.
What about you?
I said 6, but I mean, if it's not, then
None.
I think I heard the wrong thing.
Well, let's give you guys a
Miranda
correct answer.
Huh?
Okay, yes. It is none. There are no spark plugs in a diesel truck, David. And there's definitely not 8 and a 6 cylinder.
I was just kidding. You know.
We're having fun, okay. What stock transmission is faster, a manual or an automatic?
What?
And automatic.
Automatic.
Older people would say automatic.
Older people would probably say manual.
Yeah, manual.
Okay, what is manual?
It's
Where
like
you move
a
it?
stick
You have to-
shift.
Okay,
Yeah.
that's what I meant.
Yeah.
Everybody got their answers in?
Yeah.
Locked and loaded.
Do diesels have 1 or 2 battery?
2.
I know some of
I'm
them
saying
have
2,
two.
right?
Like your silver
Some.
one has 2.
Well, 94 plus is gonna have 2.
So.
Okay.
So yeah,
2.
2. Where does the blinker fluid go?
They don't have any.
You ruined the joke.
Blue.
It's gonna be so fun.
Oh.
Aw, that's okay. Thank you for helping us out.
Last time I said blue.
Have you guys all seen the King Ranch?
No.
That's
My
big
dad's
black
black
truck.
truck.
Oh, yes.
Yeah.
Okay. This guy says, what generation of Cummins is the King Ranch?
I don't really know what that's asking, so.
Like, there's generations of trucks. Like this is, for example, second generation, and there's newer styles, the third generation.
It's the first generation.
It's not a Cummins.
Does it? Yeah.
Oh.
Killed
2013.
that. It's so fun when they just
Darn
did
it.
that.
2013. Oh wait, there's a
There's a flash.
Yeah, you found it.
I'm pushing it. Oh, push it up.
Yeah. Now don't touch anything because it's probably hot. But
Probably.
I
not.
can't
looks
even
cool.
see.
I gotta stand over here because I'm short. Miranda, do you need me to hold
she
you?
might need a step stool and have a fair advantage.
Aww.
Okay, that works. Where are the injectors?
I can't.
See, enough.
Right there. Those thingies.
Okay.
You should have got on my back.
So just point to what you were talking about one more time.
Right there.
Anybody else?
I'm saying right here.
Oh.
They look very similar.
What?
Okay.
How do you live in the same house as me? You don't know where this stuff is.
Because I don't watch your YouTube videos. Unless I'm in it.
Any guesses, Miranda?
And if I get merch.
No.
No guesses.
say?
Just one guess. Anything?
Those thingies.
These?
Yeah.
Yes, these are the injectors. These
Ooh, I was
actually go
right.
right down here. These fuel lines are going into them. Yeah, those are injectors. These are the delivery valves for the injectors. So,
Okay, that's close.
where is the intake manifold?
The what?
Intake manifold.
That thing. That.
Okay. Anybody else? We're just having fun. If you get it wrong, nobody's going to tell you. It's just for fun. That's why they watch these. It's fun. Okay, well, it's not going to be on the battery. Come on, everybody has to at least guess one thing.
Okay.
New rule. It's on the driver's side of the truck.
So
Okay.
this
Okay.
side.
So
That.
The master cylinder. Okay.
No, not that. The thing in front of it.
Yeah, that little thing.
You're
Okay, so
hurting
not that
me.
little. What do you do?
Okay, guess 10,
You're just
9,
a little right.
8, 7.
it's that tube.
This?
Sure.
You're saying? This is the intake manifold.
Why does Emily get them all right?
I don't know. She's getting good at guessing now. Where are the valve covers?
A what?
These right here.
Right. Oh, yeah.
Okay, everybody got that one
Correct.
too easy. That was too easy. Where is the intercooler?
Right here. In there.
Very close.
Here.
It's in the front half.
Okay.
What's in this?
Well, if you can read, it says fan.
Well, I can't see. So that, is that it?
No, I said
No.
intercooler.
Oh.
Well, that cools
thingy.
it, right? Oh, I knew that.
That's bad.
Your legs are hurting me.
What is the turbo?
Ooh, I think I know this one.
Right
Heavy child.
Everybody has to guess.
Actually, I have a guess.
there.
That.
Yep,
This is-
I see that too.
Right there.
Right there.
No, this thing, right?
Yeah, that's
There.
what I'm pointing at.
That one.
It was pointing at.
Yep, I see that one too.
That was correct. Okay.
All right.
Getting less fun when they're right.
I
Okay.
remember that.
Where is the rear differential cover?
Rear.
Is it in the
that?
back?
Well,
That
where is it? Point it out.
Oh,
In the rear.
It's in the rear. There you go.
Yeah, there's a hint.
No idea.
The what cover?
Rear differential cover.
What's the differential? This. That opens.
What?
You said
No.
it's a cover.
It's that thing right
That's a
there.
cover.
Oh no, that's not
Wait,
it.
what thing?
That circle. I mean that.
She better not
thing.
be right again.
Down on the axle?
Yeah.
Anybody else?
Huh?
Anybody else?
I already gave my guess, but apparently it's wrong.
What she said.
I did take one.
You
That
did?
thing.
I said that cover.
Okay, okay.
I said what she said.
Okay.
I don't even know what you pointed to.
That thingy right
That's
there.
why you just say what Emily
The thingy.
What Emily said. Yeah,
That
the
thingy.
thingy. That's it.
Let me
Okay.
look. What is
Yeah.
it pointing
Yeah,
at?
the shiny
Oh.
part on the
The
back
shiny
of the
one.
axle. That's the rear differential cover. Where are the shock absorbers?
Ooh. Those things are.
The
There's-
springy
there's
looking
4.
things.
There's 4 in the truck.
Leaf
Five
springs.
each tire.
Right.
What they said.
Those are the leaf packs. Where are the shock absorbers? Very similar. They both have to do with suspension, so you're not completely wrong. But
It's
the
that
shock
thing.
absorbers. No.
It's
Those are definitely those are your emergency brake cables. Not gonna be
That
all
shiny
rusty.
silver thing.
Okay. Anybody else? No, yeah, that is the shock absorber for the rear. Where are the front shock absorbers?
Oh,
In the front?
the
Okay.
same spot, but in the front.
Yep.
Yep.
Right in
That
there.
Right
silver
there.
thing.
Okay, yeah, that one should have been easy. Where's the rear drive shaft?
No idea.
The rear drive shaft.
I'm giving you keywords to help out.
Same thing in the rear.
That same thing, but in the back. In the rear.
Okay, girl, that's what I just said.
Stop looking at me like that, Miranda.
Okay, yep. Did somebody step on the wheel? No? Well, I see a shoe print.
Well,
How do you do a burnout?
You
Go in a circle.
Okay, go ahead. How do you do a burnout?
I
push
think
your
I
gas
did
pedal all the way down,
really fast.
like really fast, so that your wheels just turn.
Without, like, you don't
No, you
slowly
put your
accelerate, it just goes-
you're in park though, and you push your.
No.
No idea. All I know is that your tires.
I said
move
you
really
just-
fast.
Put
Put
the
it on
metal
the
right
gas,
there, really
not the
fast.
gas.
Any other things you want to do while you do that?
Turn the wheel. No.
No.
She's still hooked on this whole donut thing. Any other guesses? A lot to do with pushing a gas pedal. How much power do the mirrors add folded out?
What?
What? They
No,
just, they
that
don't.
thing
They
you
only
put your head
pull it
on?
out so you can see the trailer like,
yeah.
further back.
Or if your truck's too high.
What is DEF on a newer diesel truck?
Diesel efficient fuel. DEF.
I know what DAP stands for. DAP.
Ooh.
Diesel auto power.
What is stance? When guys say, "Oh, my truck has so much stance,"
I feel like it's wider.
It
Yeah.
Is it wider?
stays
Like the
still.
you notice it more when you're looking at the truck straight on.
tires?
Yeah, it's wider. That's what you said.
Okay, yeah, that's good enough. Where does the tire fluid go?
What?
There's no tire fluid.
Do girls prefer guys with diesel trucks or gas trucks?
I like the diesel, but
Diesel.
Yeah.
Sure.
Diesel.
Diesel. How much do you think the nasty red 12 valve is worth?
30,000.
I'm gonna go with 10,000.
20. I changed mine to
I don't
25.
Why are you hating?
I don't know.
25,000.
17,193.
Well, that's actually almost the exact number we're gonna have into this truck.
I
It's
thought
gonna be
how
like
much
17,000 and some change. Actually, exactly.
That was really good.
Okay,
Good job. How much is it right now?
Right now, I gave her guesses. It's
15,000.
probably worth 12 to 15 the way it sits.
You were the closest.
I'm like 30,000.
30,000.
Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe.
Don't forget to enter the $500 cash giveaway.
Every $5 spent is another entry into the drawing.
The merch is well fitted and comfortable, and the link is in the description.
Been doing things that they told me I could never do now. Never do, I could never do. I've been looking back and I'm the only one who ever knew. My dreams began to turn out. I told them it's my turn out. They in the club and I'm in the studio. Guess they gonna learn now. Told myself I want it all, gotta get it all, never gonna burn out.